welcome to my channel. It's Mortgage Payoff Monday. Yes. So, bam. That's what we got going on today. So, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how much I was able to put towards the mortgage in the beginning of the year, January 2020. I had a mortgage pay. I started out with like $81,860, and then I not manifested, but I prayed and was hoping that we would get to 0.00 in December. But yeah, I'm still believing God for that. But right now, I am going to share with you how much I'll be making towards the mortgage payment. My husband and I had a financial blessing earlier this year, and we had decided to put like $10,000 to $15,000 towards the mortgage. But as life would have it, some other things transpired, and being that I am where we are, we have a mindset change. We decided not to put that much at one time towards the mortgage because we have some other things going on. So in order to keep myself motivated, I went back and looked through all the trackers just to see, you know, how much money we have paid. Because, of course, you get down sometime when you can't do what you originally had planned. But God has your best interest at heart. That's if you believe in, well, even if you don't believe in God, He still has your best interest at heart. So I'm believing Him still for a miracle. It may not be when I want it, but it's coming. So in order to keep myself motivated, what I decided to do is, since we're not able to put the $10K towards the mortgage, we're able to put the $10K somewhere. It's not going to be towards the mortgage. I'll break it down and share with you. And remember, also in these videos, especially on my video, I can only speak for myself. There are certain things about my life I'm not going to share online. I will share enough just to keep you motivated, or when it's a need to share it. So everything don't have to be shared in order to motivate people. I share what I feel is relevant for my journey. So just remember that. So today we're going to I want to at least start a new tracker. So in order to start a new tracker, I would have to pay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, no, that's $275. I forgot to subtract that. The hand mean I paid half of it. So let me redo my numbers and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So today we will be, in order to go ahead and finish out this tracker that the beautiful Najee over at Budgeting the Bacon created, I will be applying $3,525 towards the mortgage today. Yay! That's a great accomplishment. Yay! So once I do that, I'll put on the screen the balance that we have. So since at this moment right here, I'm not able to pay the entire mortgage off, I decided to come up with some small steps to still keep me motivated. So I said, well, since I'm not able to go down to a zero balance, at least get it under 50K and at least go to a second tracker. So that's something I do to keep myself motivated. Create smaller goals within those big goals that you were trying to reach. So I hope that helps someone. So that's what I'm doing today. So we're going to go ahead and color in all the hands and houses. And we're going to be starting a new tracker when you see my next video. And I'm excited about that. So yeah, we have paid over 30K in the year 2022 towards our mortgage. I'm excited about it. So we got like, what, 48,000 left. So we're going to just keep on working on it. I was hoping to have it paid off this year, but God said something different. You know, you got other things going on. You got a life that happens. You got other things you need. And to me, it don't make sense to put the money towards paying down a mortgage when you need the money to live right now. So that's $3,500. So we still have $6,500 left. Remember, I said we had $10K that we were going to use towards our debt. I'm going to take, I want to redo our entire floors. I decided not to wait till I pay the mortgage off to do some home renovations. I want to do some home renovations now because I want to live in the moment now. Remember, I said we're going to enjoy the journey over here. So I haven't gotten an estimate, but I'm thinking it's going to be about $5,000 to do the entire house. I'm hoping it'll be less. Hopefully it won't be more. So I'm going to put $5,000 towards our home sinking fund, for those floors. That way I don't have to use my credit card, even though I will put it on a credit card to get the cash back, but I have the cash to pay that card right off. So that's $5,000. So then we got like what, $1,500 left. I'm gonna take the other $1,500, and that's gonna go towards the 20K challenge, and I'm gonna build up some of my other sinking funds like my car maintenance. I'm all about self-care for Mrs Vee, and I want to donate to a charity, and you know, just build up my sinking funds for my grandkids and stuff. So that's what I decided to do with the 10K instead of putting all of it on the house right now. But I'm still believing in God for a blessing. We're gonna get this 48K paid off. Let me know if anything in this video was motivational to you. Can you relate to anything? I know you can, because life happens to all of us, and I just like to be transparent over here on this channel. I like to show you the highs, but I also like to share the lows, because the lows is really what motivates people, I think, because they see that you're still motivated even though you had a low moment. So we're going to be starting with this new beautiful tracker. Thank you, Najee. Yes, I enjoyed this one for 2020, but coming in 2023, we're going to try to get this one done. Yeah. So that's my update for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a big like if you enjoyed the video, and share the video with anyone you think it would be that it will help. And yeah, so we're gonna be heading into 2023, still chipping away at this mortgage. So this is Mrs Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.